Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Kozhukattai recipe. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Take 2 cardamoms, pound it in a mortar and pestle. You can use half a teaspoon of cardamom powder as well. Let's measure and keep the remaining ingredients. For this recipe we need half a cup of grated coconut and quarter cup of jaggery. To a pan add quarter cup of jaggery and a tablespoon of water. Allow the jaggery to melt. Do this on low flame so that the jaggery doesn't get burned up. Sometimes store-bought jaggery tend to have dust in them. In that case, after the jaggery is molten, strain it through a sieve. Once the jaggery has completely melted, add in the grated coconut. On low flame, mix everything well till they start to bind together. Once the moisture begins to dry up, turn off the flame. Do not let it dry completely. Now add the cardamom powder and half a teaspoon ghee. Mix everything well. Now let it cool for some time. Meanwhile, in a pan, add 1 cup of water and let it come to rolling boil. Now in a bowl, take half a cup of roasted rice flour and half a teaspoon of ghee. Add in half a cup of hot water to this. Add it little by little. Do not knead the dough immediately with your hands as the water would be very hot. Mix it with a spoon. And once you are confident that you can touch it with your hands, grease up your hands and knead the dough. Now divide and roll up the dough into lemon-sized balls. If you think that the flour is thick, then add little bit more hot water and ghee. With this measurement, I have made 9 Kozhukattais. So if you need more, you can multiply the recipe. Now take a dough, flatten it in your hand, make it to a cup shape. Stuff a little bit of jaggery mixture and fold it to a shape you want. I have made it in the shape of a ball. You can use cookie cutters or molds or anything. If you get cracks in your Kozhukattai, then don't worry. Add some hot water and ghee to the dough. Once you have stuffed all the Kozhukattai, in a idli steamer or steamer, add some water, bring it to boil. Now place the Kozhukattai in the steamer. Now cover it and cook for 12 minutes on medium flame. After 12 minutes, open the lid and you can find that Kozhukattai are perfectly steamed. Now allow it to cool for some time. Serve and enjoy. Now let's do a taste check. We can see that the insides are perfectly cooked and it was so yum. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more future recipes.